Survival. Ilang years na akong participate sa professional orientation. Ilang years na rin akong nagbibigay ng survival tips. Forever na lang siguro. Anyway, so, welcome to the University of the Philippines Visayas Freshman Orientation for the academic year of 2012. Mabuhay. So welcome to the University of the Philippines Visayas. It will be our home away from home for the next 4 to 5 years. A venue for learning, making friends, and carving your future. And if you're unfortunate enough, 6 to 7. So UPV is one of the 6 autonomous campuses of the UP system, created upon approval of the Board of Regents on May 31, 1979. So this year, it will be, on this day, it will be 33 years old. And I will be 22. UP Visayas evolved from the UP College of Iloilo and the College of Fisheries in Diliman, Quezon City. It was operationalized on June 26, 1980 through Executive Order 628. It has 3 campuses, Yagao Campus, Iloilo City Campus, and Tacloban Campus. It used to be 4, Cebu Campus, but not anymore. So the main campus of UPV is here in Yagao, which is about 40 kilometers from Iloilo City. So UPV has 4 colleges and school, namely the College of Fisheries and Ocean Sciences, or flagship college, also known as SWIFOS, which is where you are right now. The College of Arts and Sciences in the Yagao campus. And the Iloilo City campus, formerly School of Development Management. And then the UPV Tacloban College, obviously in Tacloban City, and the School of Technology, formerly School of Technology and Environmental Resources in the Yagao campus. Okay, so we have support services. So our support services are available to enable you to cope with the demands, literally, of UP academic life. So make full use of these. Okay, so namely, we have the Office of Student Affairs, also known as OSA, which looks after your psychological and social development. It offers programs to facilitate interaction and growth, and